Elon Musk just embarrassed NASA with SpaceX high-tech spacesuit. SpaceX CEO and owner Elon Musk has shocked many after his revelation about a new SpaceX spacesuit that is different from the ones NASA had before. NASA is not in a position of admitting that SpaceX has already defeated them. What is unique about the SpaceX spacesuit? Join me today in this video as we discuss more details about SpaceX's high-tech spacesuit. What is unique about the SpaceX spacesuit? SpaceX's spacesuit is unique compared to the others that were present earlier. This is no shock since we all know what Elon Musk is capable of doing in revolutionizing the world. SpaceX started designing its spacesuit back in February 2015. However, photos of the spacesuit were first seen in September 2017. After the photos were seen, the NASA crew decided to test its capability to work. Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley were involved in the test. This was in preparation for the February 2018 mission of Falcon Heavy first flight together with the Roadster of Tesla to Mars. Success was realized out of teamwork between Elon Musk and Jose Fernandez on the design. A spacesuit is a garment worn by astronauts to offer them protection in case of unforeseen calamities. The spacesuit is made up of many parts, each with a different function. The helmet is present to protect the head of the astronaut. It has a backpack that helps in the supply of electricity to power the fan and helps in the continued supply of oxygen. It is also responsible for letting out carbon dioxide gas. It has a water tank that is responsible for cooling. It is also present to help astronauts fly back to the station in case of floating. Spacesuits serve various functions. In the case of cold or hot seasons, they play a vital role. It has microphones and a speaker to help with communication purposes. It has sensitive touchscreen gloves to help them use tablets. However, the purpose is still the same as that performed by NASA's spacesuit. This includes protecting astronauts from depressurization in case of air shortage. It also ensures the frequent flow of oxygen and temperature maintenance. A spacesuit is designed in a way it can help protect the astronauts from space dust, which is dangerous to human life. The helmet has a part that protects the astronauts' eyes from being spoiled. Before SpaceX, NASA worked on several spacesuits. Let us have a look at how they worked and how they are different from SpaceX's. Mercury Suit 1961-1963. It was used during the Mercury era. It had gloves for easy finger control and zip for tight fitting. However, it was borrowed from U.S. Navy pilots. NASA worked hard in modifying it by adding an aluminum coat for temperature control. The Gemini Suit 1966-1967. It was an improvement on the Mercury suit. It is a good example of a Nieva suit that can be used both inside and outside spacecraft. It was an opportunity opener for NASA in space exploration. It was designed by David Clark, and it weighed 16-34 pounds. It had a portable air conditioner to keep astronauts cool. Gemini was designed in a way it could offer backup life support in case of oxygen shortage. Apollo Spacewalk Suit 1967-1975. It was a better version of Mercury and Gemini suits. It was the one that helped astronauts first walk on the moon. Apollo offered protection against space dust. It weighed about 180 pounds, but it was lighter than the moon. Space Shuttle Flight Suit 1988-2011. It was a modification of all other spacesuits. Its purpose was to help in keeping astronauts alive. SpaceX has surpassed the performance of all other companies in coming up with a new spacesuit. But as we always know, there must be a strong competitor in any business field. If SpaceX does better than Boeing Company, they will be in a position to launch NASA's mission. This is after Boeing came up with a pressure suit to protect astronauts from harsh conditions. Boeing spacesuits were 40% lighter, and they have many layers inside to keep astronauts cool. We can conclude that SpaceX has a great chance to outdo all other companies. A lot is yet to be discovered since SpaceX has kept it a secret to avoid competition from China. NASA is now focused to terminate all its design contracts with Axiom Space and Aerospace instead of SpaceX. This alone shows us that they have agreed on defeat from SpaceX. Musk says that NASA has a lot to do to reach where SpaceX is. That includes a capital of $1 billion. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any latest news about SpaceX.